Ano mo na, magsalita mo. Hi, vlog.
Hi, we're having a picnic.
Picnic.
And we're playing with Belle's dog.
Away from home,
You're bring it.
there's no way I'm
Yung?
turning back now.
Yung alin?
May baby, baka nandyan pa siya. Kunin mo na dito.
Speak. Ay, yung sa bahay meron. Ay, di ko na-charge yun ang inaalala ko nung kanina.
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago.
Ba't hindi mo na ano?
Alam mo na may memory.
Dumi na agad, Jiwala. Dumi lang kamay mo, may love.
Hi guys.
Babalak kayo pag girls out kayo.
Dito tayo ngayon. Picnic naman tayo. It's Friday. Picnic na. Picnic time. Ayan. Napakainit ang panahon kaya picnic kami. Ayan sila.
Oo, daw.
Ganda rito. Malilim dito. May ano ba doon eh? May plapla? May tilapia? Tilapia sa dagat.
Huwag nga daw nung kuya sabi
Uy!
niya, punta daw kayong tatlo.
Thank you,
Kasi
tol.
may iba't ibang klaseng isda daw. May kumakagat, may...
This picnic is so good, guys. Try it. And if you watch my videos, click the subscribe button so you can find my channel. And you have to always watch my birthday party because it's so fun and magical. You might go to Pumpering. Pumpering means you go to a spa party. Bye.
Relation eh. Oh.
You go to my birthday party because there's a mermaid party. No,
Ano yata?
and I'm gonna make Jewel a camera.
Sinapon ko kasi nabasa
It's a
niya
fairy,
yung mukha.
it's a fairy party.
Oh,
I
yeah.
forgot. It's not water
Bek,
party.
it's your turn.
You ready? I'm gonna make a camera just for Jewel, which is Angel and Rebecca and Bella.
tayong magagawa dyan.
And Bella.
Balikan namin kayo guys ha. See you.
And Rebecca and Rebecca.
No. Dito. Hi, say hi. Hi. Enzo. Say hi. Hi. Go. Yay.
We are the cheering people.
Yeah, cheer. Hawak ko ang beat. Bel, hawak ko ang beat.
How are you free? Our people win.
Go. Cheerleaders.
Ang dami nito natin sila, tapos pakainin na naman nila. Eh di ba nga, akala ko pupunta sila ano? Sabi ko na
Sila Jill?
sabi ko kaya ano, magdadala ng ano, sabi ko kay JR. Hindi naman sila pupunta pala.
Niluto mo pa ba ito? Luto na nila
Eh,
yan. Tapos sauce ko lang sa oven. Tapos dala-dala ko
Hotdog lang kanina sa
Ang dami tawagin niyo sa ano? Sino? Yung ano, yung sila Jill.
Sila Gino nga. Subukan mo ulit baka. Tapos ang tawag na lang.
Sabihin mo ang dami.
Pag malik pa lang dito tawagan.
Okay.
Okay ba, Ariana? Go.
Ariana,
Go muna. Eat muna.
I'm practicing football.
Oh, later. Eat muna, B. Eat muna. Jill, let's go. Eat muna. Barbecue your favorite. Yung paa mo, kamusta?
Papa, ikaw.
Awan yung tatang mo.
Namot.
Matingay.
Hey guys, kain tayo. Kain tayo guys. Barbecue party.
Akala mo kung paano sila mag-utos eh. Akala mo ano?
Kasi ay dito.
Akala mo,
Kala mo,
pinapaturan tayo
kunana.
ng mga batang to eh.
Kasi mga babae talaga, mga lalaki, tatay.
Kung makapag-utos sila.
Oh, loko, si Bill, tsaka si ano, nag-eat na, Jewel. Spaghetti close, lagyan mo. Mamaya, kakain ka lang, no?
Pag-kumay.
Tanggalan mo yung ano, yung tumutusok ba?
Pagsasawan din eh.
Hotdog din masarap.
Ayan o, sauce ng kwan. Barbecue mo.
What?
You're filming again?
Yes, down there.
Sit there, sit.
1, 2, and 3, bell.
Bell.
Yes, one snap. Very good. Ariana is not looking. Doon kayo, doon kayo. Picture all.
Lahat tayo lahat.
Lahat to. Ano to, atsara?
Picturing. Ayoko.
Picture tayo, picture.
Yung lang, and busy. Guys!
Lahat tayo lahat.
Ito ka, oh.
Tingin ka doon, tingin ka doon.
Nagka-country siya.
Palaka.
Nanuot kayo na hindi ka na kumain. Sigluwit ako.
Ayan.
Adobo na.
Salong with
Ano gusto mo, Bell? Wala sa barbecue?
Let's go! Come on! Yay! You did it!
Galing ni Bell, ah.
Wow, you can play now.
si Kuya, bakit? Ay, ni Kuya.
Ihatid na lang natin si Chloe.
Kaya nga.
Oo, maiwan ka na.
Sige, dito ka natin ka namin.
Go! Ayaw ko na iwan. Let's go! Go! Uy!
Come here.
This is Juwa's channel and she doesn't even wanna come.
Yeah.
Yeah!
Okay, speak please. Jewel, oh, magsalita kayo.
Can I go?
Oh, careful, baby.
Okay, yeah. Baby! Baby! Okay!
Oh, do. Maipit ka, oh. Jewel.
Stop! Mama? Ma? No, sorry. No! Cookie! She's making my hair.
Oh, really? Hi, Belle. How are you, Belle? Are you okay na? You want to eat na? You want to eat more?
No.
Why?
So bored.
You need to eat more, yeah?
Rebecca is making my hair, Mom.
Yeah. Rebecca stylist. No, Rebecca, look.
She's
Yes.
an
Look,
artist.
look, look.
But not only a artist,
Mm-hmm.
she's a makeover,
Yeah, makeover. She good.
right?
She's good, yeah?
Rebecca, she's a cute makeover. Even though she's young, she is making my hair. Look great. Okay, never mind. What?
Belle.
What? I always make.
Oh, nga. Oh, ano ka, Jill, oh.
Bye.
Bye! Hi guys, finish na. Ano na kami kasi it's 10 o'clock in the evening na. Thank you guys, see you.
Karga!
Look naman! Diba? Sila pala papasalamat.
Thank you! Nabusog na naman ang mga tiyan.
Oh, lipas oras na naman. Bye! Gabi na, oh, kami umuwi. Oh, gabing-gabi na kami umuwi, oh. Oh. Di ba? Bye-bye.
Next time, pa-reserve na yun.
Oh, para-serve na.